Franco-American flag. The colors blue, white, and red symbolize both France and the United States of America. The star symbolizes Franco-American unity and solidarity to America. The fleur de lis to the right of the flag is in memory of their attachment to French Canadians, or that of France for those of French origin. Given to her by the Franco-American community of upstate New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts, Édith Butler presented the flag in her concert tour in Manchester, New Hampshire on June 24, 1992. New England flag. A May 1983 conference of Franco-Americans at St. Anselm College in Manchester, New Hampshire adopted a flag to represent Franco-Americans in New England. It was designed by Robert L. Couturier, attorney and one-time mayor of Lewiston, Maine, to have a blue field with a white fleur de lis over a white five-pointed star. References ==